What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly chart, and we did finally get that rejection here from the $21,500 area, looking for lower here, potentially to the $20,500 range, which we did reach a few hours ago. This was mentioned on yesterday's video, looking for the high probability zone, okay, of this correction, that 20,500, biggest point of control, Bitcoin and Ethereum price exhaustion. This was mentioned on yesterday's video. If you didn't check it out, make sure to check it out. I have been trading some Bitcoin altcoins such as Dogecoin and GMT just for the Bybit competition, guys. If you want to know more about Bitcoin levels, make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily take on Bitcoin crypto. I also do live streams to connect with the community. I am not a financial advisor, so do not buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here straight into the 1 hourly chart, guys, because we did finally get that perfect rejection from this zone, the $21,500 area. It was the value area high, as you can see from the volume traded the last 15-20 days. We saw major resistance at the zone, failing to break above this range, getting that consolidation, slightly higher highs on the price action, seeing that exhaustion, and finally confirming, okay, the swing failure kind of double top here, as you can see, from not breaking the $21,800 range, getting that rejection heavily. And in the Telegram group, okay, where I do have a lot of people from the team for the Bybit competition, I was talking about, guys, it is very likely that we are going to get rejected at the $21,400, $21,600 range to have that leg to the downside. Why this range? Because we had the failed attempt, which was this one right over here, okay, the swing failure, wicking above and not managing to continue this uptrend. And if we take a look from this major drop to from the high to the low, okay, from the 26th of June to the 27th of June, we hit to perfection, okay, that 618 Fibonacci retracement, as you can see, entering some trade right there for that potential leg down to the biggest point of control, which was right over here at $20,500 range. Absolutely beautiful trade that I did take on Bybit. Okay, remember, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other altcoins, Bybit is my favorite swing trading platform. Okay, they have insanely cheap fees. I have been trading Dogecoin, as you can see. I do have a position here on Dogecoin at the 0.076 cents, okay, in a short position right now. And I've been trading some altcoins just for the competition. Remember, you got an insane bonus down below up to $4,450. You got the best bonus available, which is down below. You also get 30 days of 0% maker fee, no fees for 30 days. Now, diving here straight back into the Bitcoin price, okay? Now, we have stopped at this major level. There's a big spike on the VPVR. This is currently where we are getting a reaction on Bitcoin, but there is a possibility that we actually have continuation to the downside because we've had a massive big failed attempt in breaking this resistance zone, okay? So we are looking for a potential consolidation here. If we do consolidate in between today and tomorrow, okay, in between 20,300 and 20,700, okay, inside of this zone, okay, maintaining this value area low level on the VPVR, we could actually go as low as $20,000, okay, 19,900, where we have this spike over here. I do think there is a possibility that we could potentially come down to retest this low or even lower in the coming hours and days. This is a falling knife. If you are trying to long this position, it is very dangerous. You want to see a consolidation in the price, just like we saw right over here for the last couple of days, looking for those shorting opportunities. Unless we do get a reaction here, I am not looking for shorting or longing at this level. I will be holding some of my position here just in case we do go lower, totally protected. So now we were talking about this also, this scenario, this inverse head and shoulder, but we also talked about, you know, this neckline breaking above it, but it was the weekend, guys. We had hardly any volume on this breakout and we were going sideways, looking for that exhaustion on Bitcoin. So we're not looking for any long positions at this range. If you watch my latest live streams and videos, only looking for shorts at this major resistance, or if we did have that leg up, also looking for shorts at this $22,800. Now, this was a perfect call from yesterday and also talked on the Telegram group for the Bybit competition team. Now, What if we do not hold this range? Like I said, it is likely that we are potentially going to actually break this resistance neckline, and it's not going to hold, and we're probably going to break through it if we don't manage to consolidate in between today and tomorrow at this level in between 20,200 and 20,700 approximately, with that volatility plus minus $100. You know the deal. Bitcoin is very volatile. Altcoins are even more. So if we do lose this value area low, it is likely that we are going to retest this low area from the 22nd of June. Now, there is a bunch of liquidity here, which I do think it can be retested, okay, in between today and tomorrow. And if we dip below this range, I am looking for this consolidation, okay, depending on how we drop tomorrow, you know, in between today and tomorrow. If we start falling and we do get this consolidation tomorrow at this level, this is going to be a very, very strong level for me for looking for longing opportunities. And you might ask yourself why. Well, we have been talking about this in the past. This has been a major resistance zone. As you can see, once we broke through, we managed to hold this range as resistance here on a couple of touches. It is the $19,400 range, but not only that, this is a major daily level here from December of 2020 and also the end of November, where we do have several daily closes, as you can see, at the end of November and December of 2020. It's a very, very important consolidation where we did have resistance. So if I zoom here back in on the 1 hourly and zoom in, we have seen that this level has been very much respected as resistance, not much as support, just a strong falling knife, a little consolidation and continuing back down. As you can see here, this was no level to trade because we actually falling below this level. All right, we didn't get a consolidation at this daily zone. So we got the daily level, we got some resistance here on the price action, but also if we do take a look at Fibonacci levels from the low point here on the 18th of June to the high levels, it is also in between 50%, okay, and the 618. 50% is 19,740 and 618 is 19,220 approximately. So round about that zone, if we do get that reaction, it is going to be looking very interesting for a potential bounce. We've got a lot of confluence at that $19,400 level plus minus $100 because of the volatility. Okay, if we do see the bearish exhaustion at this range in between, you know, today and tomorrow, it might be in 2 days. Okay, we might consolidate and then drop down. This is a major interest zone for me for looking for longing opportunities. And this is about it, guys. We were talking about this major resistance yesterday. There's a higher resistance right here at the $22,800 range, okay, plus minus $100, just in case you do get that volatility for that potential leg down, or this scenario also where we have had the leg down having insane profits. Now I am looking for lower levels and a sign of strength, okay, round about the $19,400 levels if we were to lose here the lows of $19,800. okay. There is a possibility that you might create a kind of a double bottom if we start seeing some volatility at this range, okay, in between 19,200 and 19,800, which is this low. A little bit of volatility, a little bit of a few bounces, 618 from this major uptrend. Then it's going to be looking very interesting for Bitcoin to actually continue this uptrend that we have had for the last week, okay, for higher levels. This is my trading plan, all right, for the couple of days on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Make sure to absolutely smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want more daily updates on Bitcoin and potentially some altcoins on live streams. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website if you want the latest news and technical analysis ideas. We post every single day here. The link is down below for the website. For all our socials, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.